Bethany from Southern Contour, and I'm back again today to show you guys how I'm using and organizing the new kit from May, the devotional kit from Illustrated Faith. This is the Less Hustle, More Jesus kit. I do want to go ahead again and say thank you to Dayspring for sending me the kit so that I could try it out and show it to you guys. If you want to see all the stuff that comes in it in more detail, check back on a previous video and I can link it down below of everything that comes in the kit, and also a link down below where you'll be able to buy your kit if you want to. So let's go ahead and I will show you what I did for mine and how you can keep yours organized if you choose. So this is the praise book from Illustrated Faith as well, and I've started liking being able to use it as an alternative from my Bible to do some art journaling in, and so you'll see it has lots of blank pages, clear pages, pages with design on them, and so that is what I've been using. I've used it for other kits to keep them organized, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do for this month as well. So here I'm going to go ahead and just show it to you right off the bat. This is what the pages that I have in this layout, and what I'm doing to keep mine organized this time is I decided I've made little booklets out of the devotional cards that come with it before. I've done different things with that, made them to go in a planner, so forth. So this time I wanted to try something different, and what I did was made a little envelope on one of my pages to keep all the cards organized in it. So that keeps them all handy in one little place. In the past, I've also hole punched them and just put them straight in here, and you can do that, but I thought this might be something fun and different. So I want to show you how I did the pocket, and then we'll go back over the entire page. So let me move that out of the way. And what I used to help me made it a lot easier. You don't have to have this to do it, but this is from Cricut, and it's their card, I think it's their card making tool set, and it comes with like this little foam mat that you can work off of with grids, and it has 1-inch squares. So what I did was I just measured a piece of cardstock. This cardstock is from Dayspring and Illustrated Faith, from their All People, All Nations, I believe, that set. It's one of their newest sets, and so I just used it, or cut it out, measuring it. I did, these are 1 inch each, okay? So this would be a 3.5 by 6. And I guess if you're looking at how the envelope, it'd be more like this. So I did a 6-inch by 3.5. My actual envelope over here is a 5-inch by 3-inch. So what I did was I put an extra 1/2 inch so that I could fold it over to attach it to the page. So once you get that cut out, just do a 6 by 3.5. Then I went and flipped it over because I'm going to use the other side as my main side. And what I did was I came here, and if you look and line this up, that's why I really like this, because it works good, but you don't have to use this. But I line it up, and then they have this little tool that causes a crease. And so that's good when you're making cards. I think that's their card making set is really what it's called. So I just take something with a straight edge, and then you just take this tool, run it all the way down, and then at the end you just kind of, I just kind of improvise. And if you see, I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it in the video or not, but maybe you can. Right there is a little crease. I'm trying to make sure you can see it. I'm not sure that you can, but it makes a crease that you can see it maybe a little bit better now, where you can just fold your paper over very easily, just like that. So it makes that crease a lot easier to get. So let me go ahead and do the other side as well, on both sides, and then I'll show you how I put that together at the end. And so if you want to, go over a couple times, and that just makes it a little bit easier. And I think that'll make it easier maybe for you to see. Yeah, you can see it better now that I did that a couple times. So let's go ahead and do the other side. And this tool actually makes it so much easier to fold it. That's why I really like this. Okay, so now that you have your creases, we folded the bottom one. Let's fold the sides. And then if you see, you now have this little square here that's been made by creases on both sides. And so what I did is, let me grab my scissors. I cut out that little square right there on both sides, because when you go to fold it and put it in or on the page, you don't have as much bulk or overlap, so it makes it easier for you to fold it and glue it down. And so now you have the little squares off. This would be your bottom. And so what I did then is I just took, this is the tape runner from Illustrated Faith. I just put that on there. Then I did it on the sides, on both sides. And then you're ready to just stick that down right on the page, mash it down, and you'll have your little pocket, okay? So that's all there is to that, very easy. So let me move this little thing out of the way, and let's go back and I'll show you how I finished the page off. I was gonna show you guys how I did the whole page while I did it, but that would be very time consuming and plus boring after a while of just seeing me put stickers down and stamps. So I didn't do that, but here is my little envelope, and I just put it down. These fit perfectly in it. You see how that was. And I have the devotional cards. I went ahead and stored the journaling cards in there as well for now. They may stay in there if I want to keep the journaling all together, or if there's a page in my Bible I do, I'll just paper clip it onto the page. So either way, you could keep them all in here or just a few of them. This page in the book I thought would work perfect because it says throw kindness around like confetti, and with the confetti that's on some of the pieces like this one, that just went perfect, and with the backdrop or the background. So on the pocket, I just put a little bit of decoration so that it wasn't just plain. And I used, for a lot of things on this page, you'll notice the stickers around the edges, this washi tape that looks like the ticket stubs, there's the cotton candy sticker here, these letters, the alphabet stickers. A lot of these pieces actually came from Illustrated Faith as well, and you can still get these, I'm pretty sure. And I can leave a link below for this as well. But these are part of their Delight in His Day collection. And everything in this collection is very bright, colorful. It matches the kit perfectly. You've got a lot of the same theme, like in the kit, there's a lot of things with the cake and confetti and the ice cream bar and stuff like that. So I thought this with the little candy pieces. There is other stickers on here. Those little pretzels are cute too. But I used the cotton candy sticker, and these are like a foam sticker, and then these are flat cardstock stickers. And then over here I used one of the little candy piece foam stickers as well. So those tied in beautifully. The washi I showed you, that's from Delight in His Day. So a lot of that went perfect with this. So that's where you're seeing these extra pieces come in. So I used that. These are the word fetty, and instead of using the one that came in the kit, because I'm going to save it for my Bible, it's these. When you buy the kit, you get the free downloads that come with it. And so I've chopped through mine a lot, but I printed some on cardstock. I printed some on the Avery 8665 paper, so they'll be clear. And so these are extra downloads that will be free when you buy the kit that they'll email you. And so you get these extra little elements in the kit, so you can use tons and tons. Don't feel like you're going to use up all of these, because you'll have this you could print and reuse as many times as you want. So that's what I did with the word fetty. I printed that. I used the card from the kit. I used this little piece that came in the kit to make a tab, so when this is closed, I know exactly where this kit's pages are at. I love the little bicycle that comes with it as well, and this was one that came in the download, so it's a bigger size, but that worked out perfect. This is one of the heart tip-ins that came with it. And then this is a little cake that came with it, which I thought went perfect with the cotton candy. The rest is from the Delight in His Day. And then this is using the stamps. I just stamped with the top set with the pink, and then I did the outline stamps with the black and went around those. I like how that turned out. I thought it was really cute. You could definitely do the same thing with just scrapbook alphabet stickers, but I think it was cute how they gave you this other set with the outline. And then I just wrote a little bit of journaling in here. And so that is pretty much it. This would not take you long to do at all. It keeps all of your cards organized in one place. You don't have to have the little card making kit that I showed you, but it does make it a lot easier. And I will link that down below as well if you're interested, because it would work for lots of other things as well. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I will leave links down below for everything, and hopefully I will be back to show you some entries in my Bible as well using the kit if you guys are interested, or I flip through at the end of the month showing you how I used all of the pieces in my Bible. So tell me what you would like to see in the comments, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. I hope you guys also, one more thing, are enjoying the 100 Days of Bible Promises Challenge. These items that came in the kit go perfect with that because it's the same color scheme. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave a link down below to that video that I've been doing with my entries for the challenge, and would love to see you there too. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye-bye.